Welcome back to Skincare and Beauty with PerkiPerkins. As you read from my title, today I will be doing the unboxing of my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus and Glam Bag, which was graciously gifted to me by Ipsy. Recently, Ipsy actually added me to their PR list, which I am very thankful, but you guys know me at this point that no matter what the situation is, whether I pay for it, it's gifted, or PR, I'm gonna always give you guys my honest thoughts and opinions about the products and the subscription. So if you want to see what I received in the November's Ipsy Glam Bag Plus and Glam Bag, make sure you keep on watching. But before I go any further, don't forget, make sure you hit that subscribe button, select all in your notifications. This way YouTube notifies you the moment I do any uploads. And lastly, make sure you guys check out my social medias down below. Right now I actually have a couple new blogs up and I would love if you guys can check them out. Let's get to it, you guys, and let's start our unbagging. So far I haven't really opened the seal. I wanted to be surprised, even though I've already started seeing stuff on social media. Don't have scissors. So I do also have my own Plus subscription. This month I skipped regular, and instead of doing a separate video for that one, at the end of the video I'm actually going to just show it on the screen as a screen record for you guys to see what I got. This is how they actually send us the box, and then you open it up and it says discover yourself. I'm going to start off, you guys, with the regular Glam Bag. Now, for those of you who don't know, the Glam Bag, this little guy right here, is $12 per month, and we get 5 samples, travel size, and sometimes on occasion we get a full-size item. Typically like a single, like a highlighter, a blush, brushes, or eyeliners, you know, things like that. And we are able to customize one item every month. So typically on the 3rd Thursday, and I'll put up the date here if it's already listed online, but usually on the 3rd Thursday of every month, we're able to customize one item for the regular Glam Bag and the Ultimate Glam Bag. But I have recently found out that Ultimate's actually going away. So I'm not sure when it's going away, but I know they're not taking new subscribers for Ultimate. They're revamping, and I know around August, September, in a Facebook group, someone posted an email saying something good is coming, and it's basically insinuating that it's going to go to like every 3-month kind of deal. So make sure you guys stay tuned. I will try to keep you guys updated, and I will be posting a blog review on these boxes as well. So as soon as I get that information, I will post it either on my blog if I can't get to posting on YouTube, you guys. But anyways, let's start the unbagging. And this month I love our bag. So I'm going to do a mystery style since I don't have a card or anything like that. I'm looking. So the first item, so the first item I received, you guys can see that. This is the Anastasia Beverly Hills lip gloss, and I got shade Moon Jelly. That sounds so cute. Let me open her up. This has some really cool like glitter flakes in it or something like that. So I'll definitely be trying this out very soon. But for now, I'm not gonna swatch it. No. So nice color. It's just clear, and I think it would definitely, you know, just give any look a nice. Oh, it's like a unicorn. Look at that. It's very iridescent. It switches to like a purplish tone, so that's really cool. Normally I don't like going with clear glosses, especially on top of a lipstick. I use a brush, so maybe at the end of the video I'll swatch it on my lips on top and see how it goes. So next I got the Tatcha Deep Cleanser. This is a great sample. Like this is the travel size, and these typically like retail for $15-20 for one of these, you guys. So this is incredible. Like, and it is sealed. Like, even if, let's say, the bag came a dud, this alone would have made the bag for most people, because who doesn't want to try Tatcha? I've always heard great things about their cleanser. I did get one in a travel size from a travel set I purchased last holiday, so I'm glad to be able to get another one, because these could work for up to 10 uses, at least for me. This is from Sugar Rush by Tarte. So this is their sister company. It's the Lip Slip Vegan Lip Oil, and I got fresh press. Guys, this is so stinking cute, and I do like lip oil, so I'm very excited to get this actually. And I love the packaging and the fact that it has this little grip, because I don't know how many times I'm there trying to twist the cap open and maybe, you know, I just don't have enough grip. So this is genius that they put this little gripper there. Oh, nice. I got a sample of the Ico Rock Out and Lash Out mascara in Beading Black. Now, I've recently gotten quite a few mascaras, which I actually opened several, so I won't be opening this up right now, but I have actually really wanted to try this formula for quite some time, so I'm really glad to get this. I'm just going to save it for the future, basically. Last item, I got the Glow Recipe Banana Souffle Moisture Cream in Calming Hydrate. So this sounds actually pretty cool. Oh, that's so cool. They actually put like the little cap. They put a little cap in there, so that's really, really good. I just want to smell it. It smells like banana pudding. So this smells really, really nice. I will eventually get to it, but right now I do have quite a bit of skincare going, but this is good enough to last maybe a couple tries. So those are the 5 items I received in my regular Glam bag. Now let's start with the Plus bag. So this month the Plus bag came in this little satchel. It's nice, it's okay, you know. I miss the old bags like this that were just slightly bigger, you know, or I wish they would have given us like the ultimate bag. Those are nice, guys. Now, for those of you who do not know, the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus is $25 a month, and you get 5 full-size items with a minimum retail value of $120. Now, like, one of the most amazing parts about the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, you guys, is that back in August, they actually kicked off a new amazing feature for Plus. So between the 2nd and the 3rd, you're able to go into the Ipsy app and actually customize 3 items. And in the beginning, when you log in, you're able to see the 2 items that they have actually selected for you. For the most part, they're pretty good when it comes to your beauty profiles. And then they do 3 tiers of products that you can choose from, which is really cool. This month, the selection wasn't that great. Like, I had a lot of lip products for some reason, and I usually put rarely for lip products. But I forgot to mention in the beginning is with Ipsy, you are able to just say skip a month, skip 2 months, or you can change the frequency that you want your bags to come. So if you're like, I can't budget it, or I don't want it every month, I want it every other month, you can do that actually, which is really cool, especially again for budgeting purpose, or maybe you're going on vacation. You can do that very easily from your app, which is incredible, you guys. Again, if you guys like those customization features, Ipsy does have that part locked down. Let's get started. Enough with my jibber jabbing. So let's get started and let's see what I got, because I'm trying to do this mystery style, so I'm trying not to peek. So my first item, you guys, I love this, but again, it's mascara. So this is actually one of my favorite mascaras. It's the Tristique Good Vibes mascara. Since I do have it, I think I left my mascara upstairs when I was doing my makeup yesterday. So I will pop a picture of how the mascara wand looks like, and it really helps your separate your lashes and make them look nice and long. So I really do enjoy this mascara. I actually already have 2 backups. This would be the 3rd, so I will be giving this away in my upcoming giveaway, or one of them. You know, I have plenty coming. The next item I received was from Farah Beauty. This is their eyeshadow brushes. Like, this is actually a really nice brush set from Farah. I actually have a couple of these that I've gotten as singles in the past, so I'm really excited to get these. But as I just said, I got this before, so I'm gonna throw these in a giveaway. This guy is from Somerville. It's their goat milk moisturizing cream. It conditions, restores, revitalizes. It conditions and restores. It says, growing up with eczema, my mom would put goat's milk in my bath. Using this cream daily to help replenish and nourish your skin. It's actually good to know because I have breakouts of eczema actually every so often, mostly on my body, but randomly I will get some eczema like on the sides of my face. So I'm really excited to try out this Somerville goat milk. Now it's gonna be some time till I get to this, but again, I just don't want to keep on opening a bunch of new products until I'm ready for them, and I'm very close to emptying like 4 jars right now, so I'm really glad about that. Item I got, which I'm so happy for because it wasn't in my choices for some reason. I got the Violet Voss palette. This is a 6-color eyeshadow pressed pigment palette. So there is no name on this palette. All it says is V Violet Voss, and it says 6-color eyeshadow and pressed pigment palette. And it's a very cute little 6-pan palette. Really nice colors actually. So I'm not going to swatch it right now because I want to double check and make sure that the Violet Voss palettes that I have don't have these colors right now. Doubles kind of deal, you know what I mean? So I'm going to double check before I swatch it, because if I do have these colors already in the Violet Voss palettes I own, I'm just going to put this in a giveaway for you guys, because Violet Voss has an incredible eyeshadow formula. Like, I really enjoy the Violet Voss formula. And it comes with a tiny little mirror. Like, this is a great palette for like on the go for real. So the next item I received is this trio right here, you guys. This is also from Farah. It's called the Matte Boss Liquid Pigment. It says back here, there's like a little card. It says, a lipstick line with the busy modern woman in mind. Our lipstick packaging is square shaped, so your lipstick stays put when you set them down. No more chasing, running away lipstick. Be beautiful, be you. I know, that was hella corny, me doing that. This does state it has a 12-month shelf life. They are cruelty-free, recyclable. And it says contains vitamin E to nourish the lips, jojoba oil to hydrate and soften the lips, made without parabens, beeswax, sulfates, gluten, or carmine. They sound really nice. So here's the packaging. Matte Boss, so that's the name of what they call their liquid lipstick formula, I guess. And the first shade right here is Farah. This feels like very plasticky. Like, this is definitely a lot more solid. I mean, but they're nice. Don't get me wrong. This looks very close to what I'm wearing. But again, I'm just showing these to you guys since I'm not going to swatch them. This shade right here is Cocoa. So I'm assuming it's probably like a brownish tone. This is like a brownish nudie tone, if you can see that. It's nice. I mean, whomever ends up winning whatever giveaway that this comes in will be very lucky, because you basically have 3 great shades to choose from. This one is Tiffany. Oh, this is a nice mauve tone. Like, mauves are totally my jam. And look at that, you guys. It has the little crown on top. I've already counted my Glam bag items and then my Glam bag plus, and that would have been my 5th item. For some reason, I got this guy right here also. And I don't know, I just feel like this was an accident, or maybe they just gave us like an extra bonus item to be nice to us. That's just, I mean, amazing. They're already nice to us. But it says a perfect 10 MOTD. Don't know who that is. I love these type of brushes. It has this little round tip. It can really buff in like your bronzers and contours and chisel out your cheekbones, or like blush. But yeah, I don't know who this brand is. Here you go. But I'm really glad to get this. I'm definitely keeping this one. I love brushes, and this is a single, so that's why I'm saying I could keep it. And I've never tried this brand, and the bristles feel really nice actually. So I'm very excited. So now, as I mentioned, I'm gonna run just a quick screen record of the items that are coming in my Glam bag plus, you guys, for the month of November. Let me know what you guys think of the items that I received in the Ipsy Glam bag and Glam bag plus that were gifted to me, comparison to like the Glam bag plus that I actually paid for. Now overall, I love the items I received. I know I'm going to give a lot of it away, but again, when you're at the point where you're getting a lot of product, which again, I am so grateful. I'm so grateful to these companies that do gift me products to review and things like that. But when you get so much, it gets to the point that we do have too much, and or we have doubles. On my last video, which I'll link it up above if you haven't seen it, that's why I mentioned that I'm going to be holding another giveaway as soon as I get my other boxes, because going forward, you guys, I will be holding monthly giveaways on my channel, maybe even a little bit more, because I want to be able to give back to you guys and just show my appreciation for your guys' continued support and returning to watch my videos, liking and commenting. Like those that actually like and comment, I see you guys, and I wish I could just be like, here, take it, you know, but I want to be fair at the same time and make sure it's open to everyone, because I know sometimes even some of my loyal supporters, they can't comment because, you know, maybe they're watching my video while they're cleaning. I do that often. I'll be watching videos while I'm doing the kitchen or cooking, and it skips to the next video. So again, I want to be able to give back to you guys, show my gratitude, and thank you guys so much for everything. So make sure you guys stay tuned, because my next unboxing subscription video will include a giveaway. And again, I just want to thank you guys so very much, honestly, from the bottom of my heart. Let me know again what you guys think of the PR versus my paid subscription. For me, I am probably most excited for the Yensa body bronzer. I have wanted it for so long. So that's probably what I'm most excited for on my plus bag. But thank you guys all so very much. I appreciate each and every one of you. Please take care, be safe, and I will catch you in the next one. Goodbye.